I analyzed the last 20 March Madness tournament winners to find the criteria that every championship team has met. We will look at team records, winning streaks, strength of schedule, team ceilings, and more to help us discover every team that can win the big dance this year. We are looking at every team's regular season and conference tournament as a whole. All statistics are the combination of these two periods. We will mainly be looking for the minimum statistical values that each of the 20 previous tournament winners achieved. These minimums will help us define the thresholds that all championship teams met. It takes 6 wins in a row to win it all. So naturally, the first thing I wanted to know was if every championship team had a 6+ game winning streak before the NCAA tournament. The answer was yes, but the actual lowest max winning streak of each team was 7 games. But for our purposes, let's just focus on the 6-game requirement. This will be our first criteria to narrow down the initial field of 68. If a team has not had a 6-game winning streak already, then history says it's not happening in the tournament. After applying this, we are already getting some interesting eliminations. Number 4, Maryland. Number 6, Illinois. Number 8, Gonzaga. And number 9, Baylor are all single-digit seeds who failed to win 6 games in a row this year. We have an additional 4 double-digit seeds that also failed this requirement, leaving us with 8 teams gone and 60 teams remaining. Not every winning streak has the same value. A 10-game winning streak and a 6-game winning streak are both one streak of 6+ wins. But clearly, the 10-game streak is better. I wanted to find a way to take this into account. Let's take another look at the 10-game streak. If we think of each 6-game block as its own independent series, then the 10-game winning streak is really 5 unique 6-game winning streaks. Of the last 20 champions, they all had 3 or more unique 6-game winning streaks. Using this criteria on the remaining field, we are able to eliminate 15 more teams. We have now knocked off 2 different 3 seeds in Kentucky and Texas Tech. We also eliminated another 4 seed in Purdue and 3 additional single-digit seeds. There are now 45 teams remaining. Every tournament winner has had 25+ wins, except for the 2021 Baylor Bears. This was an anomaly. Baylor went 22-2 during a season in which they had 8 games canceled. Most teams play 30 to 34 games during a year. For our previous champions, this meant that no team had more than 9 losses during a season. Let's eliminate all teams with less than 25 wins and 10 or more losses. Iowa State is the third 3 seed to be eliminated. They finished just short of the threshold with a record of 24-9, as did Oregon and BYU. With Arizona and Texas A&M failing to reach 25 wins, the final 2 4 seeds are out. This was the biggest hurdle for teams to clear so far, with 18 teams removed and just 27 remaining. To do this, we will look at each remaining team's strength of victory and strength of defeat. Strength of victory is the combined winning percentage of all the teams they beat,